Physical therapy is a giant waste of time and money. Well, let me add a little caveat. Traditional physical therapy is a giant waste of time and money. What's up, everybody? Dr. Matt Maggio here, founder of Soft Tissue Revolution and the creator of the Peak Method. And I am on a hell of a mission to make chronic injuries obsolete. So I want to pre-curse this video. I think I said that right. But I think traditional physical therapy is a complete waste of time. I get hate mail all the time from physical therapists all across the board. And when I go through Instagram, I go through YouTube, everybody's the movement specialist, or they add barbell in front of it, or the movement doc, or all this stuff. And I find myself getting frustrated, but I'm working on my anger. And I'm just trying to be more rational and look at facts. So in this video, I want to go through why traditional, once again, traditional. So if you want to send me hate mail, fellow physical therapist, if you're a traditional one, go right ahead. Drop them in those comments below. I love mail from the haters. But why traditional? PT is a waste. So we've been ingrained in society, especially by insurance companies, where we have to really dumb things down. You know, insurance companies only pay for a few things, so we have to dumb it down to appease the insurance company and have the diagnosis meet that. So when you're injured, there's two things we always look at. You're tight or you're weak. So what does traditional physical therapy say? Well, if it's tight, let's stretch it. If it's weak, let's strengthen it. It's tight, stretch it. If it's weak, strengthen it. So the problem with physical therapists are they don't really like to use their hands. And using your hands is the only way to actually get in there and make a change in the tissue. Restore range of motion, restore function, and get rid of pain. But they don't get taught that in school. And instead of being like, hey, I'm not that good at it, they bash it. And then they say, where's your double-blind, triple placebo studies and blah, 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 blah. Scar tissue's not real, blah, 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 blah. And I just get sick of it. But here's the problem that you're running into. If it's tight, if it's weak, this is the question you need to ask. Why is that happening? And nobody does that. Nobody knows how to think. We're not even taught in school how to think. I didn't learn how to think when I was in chiropractic school. I know physical therapists aren't really taught how to think, and either are massage therapists. We just kind of go, if it's tight, stretch it. If it's weak, strengthen it. You have to continue to ask these questions of why is that going on? And you cannot provide a treatment and a long-lasting functional-based treatment if you don't know why this is happening. Maybe that muscle's tight because there's a tear in there. Maybe that muscle is weak because it's trying to unload something bad in there, like a cartilage damage or a disc injury. And then you go right into stretching it and you go right into strengthening it. That can actually expose that problem even more. So if you're going to physical therapy, you're on visit like what? 30, 40, 50, 60, and that person has never really put their hands on you and actually got in there and broke down that tissue, it ain't gonna work. You're wasting your time and it's not fixing your problem. And physical therapists out there, I know it's hard to get in there and start using your hands and actually make a change in the tissue, but if you need help, send me a message. I'll train you all day long because people need more of this care. But you have to start asking the question of why, because you can never, ever, ever, ever fix a problem if you do not know what the problem is in the first place. So that's my video for today. If you're on visit 47 or 8 million of physical therapy and you're not any better, it's because of this. Get to a practitioner. Get to one of my trained practitioners in the Peak Method. There's a link right below. It gives you access to our website, find out more about our unique and specialized process, and get you functioning better, get you moving better so you can feel better. And if you know anyone that's been struggling with pain or injuries, share this video with them. And if you're a physical therapist and you hate me and you want to ask where my research is, just drop it in the comments below and I'll have a nice debate with you. Other than that, that's all I got, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.